Nubia is preparing the Z80 Ultra, its next camera-focused flagship. According to reliable tipster digital chat station on Weibo, Z80 Ultra will boast a full-screen OLED display with an all-new under-display selfie camera and a 144Hz refresh rate. The device is equipped with the SD8 Elite Gen 5 chip and scored an impressive 3,669 single-core points and an 11,309 multi-core score. The phone is also armed with 16GB RAM and boots Android 16, 50MP main camera with a 35mm lens. As for imaging improvements, the phone features a larger 1/1.55-inch ultra-wide sensor. The battery capacity is rumored to increase to 7,100 mAh. The device will support up to 100W wired charging. The Z80 Ultra could launch in November 2025. The Z80 Ultra might be one of the most distinctive flagships to close out the year. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.